fucking.
How you doing, man?
I watch your videos all the time.
Oh, that's
man.
awesome. What's your name, man?
Jose.
Jose, good to meet you, dude.
Man, I've been trying to get my business running, man.
You got to get it going, man. You're not sure it's gonna make it?
Man, I'm not sure, man. I'm always trying to quit every day, man.
Dude, it's hard, man. It's hard. You just got to hang in there, buddy. You got to hang in there. You got to figure out like maybe a little left or a little right. You got to just keep working it out until you figure it out. Don't give up, man. Like I know how hard it's been for me, you know, trying to figure it out. Half the time I'm losing, man. Just so you know, half the time I'm losing, dude. But when I win, I need the win to be a little bigger than all the losses. So just hang in there, don't quit, bro. Take care of yourself, work out, eat good, get up early, stay late, and get around people that want you to win, man. Tell everybody, fuck you, leave me alone if you don't want me to win.